Top 12 biggest myths about weight loss keto diet. There is a lot of weight loss advice on the internet. Most of it is either unproven or proven not to work. Here are the top 12 biggest lies, myths, and misconceptions about weight loss. 1. All calories are equal. The calorie is a measurement of energy. All calories have the same energy content. However, this does not mean that all calorie sources have the same effects on your weight. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways and can have vastly different effects on hunger and the hormones that regulate your body weight. For example, a protein calorie is not the same as a fat or carb calorie. Replacing carbs and fat with protein can boost your metabolism and reduce appetite and cravings, all while optimizing the function of some weight-regulating hormones. 1 trusted source, 2 trusted source, 3 trusted source. Also, calories from whole foods like fruit tend to be much more filling than calories from refined foods, such as candy. Summary: not all calorie sources have the same effects on your health and weight. For example, protein can increase metabolism, reduce appetite, and improve the function of weight-regulating hormones. 2. Losing weight is a linear process. Losing weight is usually not a linear process, as some people think. Some days and weeks you may lose weight, while during others you may gain a little bit. This is not a cause for concern. It's normal for body weight to fluctuate up and down by a few pounds. For example, you may be carrying more food in your digestive system or holding on to more water than usual. This is even more pronounced in women, as water weight can fluctuate significantly during the menstrual cycle. 4 trusted source. As long as the general trend is going downwards, no matter how much it fluctuates, you will still succeed in losing weight over the long term. Summary: losing weight can take a long time. The process is generally not linear, as your weight tends to fluctuate up and down by small amounts. 3. Supplements can help you lose weight. The weight loss supplement industry is massive. Various companies claim that their supplements have dramatic effects, but they're rarely very effective when studied. The main reason that supplements work for some people is the placebo effect. People fall for the marketing tactics and want the supplements to help them lose weight, so they become more conscious of what they eat. That said, a few supplements have a modest effect on weight loss. The best ones may help you shed a small amount of weight over several months. Summary: most supplements for weight loss are ineffective. The best ones can help you lose a bit of weight, at most. 4. Obesity is about willpower, not biology. It is inaccurate to say that your weight is all about willpower. Obesity is a very complex disorder with dozens, if not hundreds, of contributing factors. Numerous genetic variables are associated with obesity, and various medical conditions, such as hypothyroidism, PCOS, and depression, can increase your risk of weight gain. 5 trusted source. Your body also has numerous hormones and biological pathways that are supposed to regulate body weight. These tend to be dysfunctional in people with obesity, making it much harder to lose weight and keep it off. 6 trusted source. For example, being resistant to the hormone leptin is a major cause of obesity. 7 trusted source. The leptin signal is supposed to tell your brain that it has enough fat stored. Yet, if you're resistant to leptin, your brain thinks that you're starving. Trying to exert willpower and consciously eating less in the face of the leptin-driven starvation signal is incredibly difficult. Of course, this doesn't mean that people should give up and accept their genetic fate. Losing weight is still possible, it's just much harder for some people. Summary: obesity